Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix BlueStacks 5 lag. Let's fix it guys. The first solution is to set priority to high. To do this, you just need to right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. You just need to right click on the BlueStacks and select Go to Details. And now you just need to right click on the hdplayer.exe and select Set Priority and select High. Select change priority. After doing this, now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to run BlueStacks in high performance. To do this, go to search menu and type graphics settings. Click on open it. In here you need to find the BlueStacks and select options and select this to high performance and select save. If you don't have BlueStack listed over here, then you just need to select the browse and navigate to the BlueStacks location and you just need to select it guys. After selecting it, you just need to select the options and select high performance. And now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the third solution guys. The third solution is to change BlueStacks settings. To do this, you just need to open up BlueStacks. Go to settings. In CPU allocation, I show you guys how many cores you can set in CPU allocation. For that, you just need to right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Go to Performance tab. As you can see, I have 4 cores. What that means, I only need to use 2 cores in the CPU allocation guys. Click on the drop down in CPU allocation and select 2. I recommend using half, otherwise your PC may not have enough cores to run. To set your memory allocation, you just need to go to search menu and type about your PC. Click on open it. As you can see, I have 16 GB of RAM. So therefore I can only use up to 8 GB guys. Click on the drop down and select 8. I recommend using half of your RAM. After that, performance mode, click on the drop down and select high performance. And frame rate, you can set it to 60. And after doing this, select save changes and restart the BlueStack guys. After doing this, you just need to go to display tab. You just need to select the recommended resolution guys. In my case 1920 into 1080. After selecting it, select save changes and select restart now. And now go to settings and go to graphics tab, and in GPU in use you just need to turn it on the preferred dedicated GPU. After turning on, select the save changes and now your problem should be fixed guys. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.